Hey there, have you ever thought about all the tiny creatures living on your hand right now? Let's take an incredible journey into the microscopic world on your palm. 0, 11, 0, 30. Under a powerful microscope, we can see what's usually invisible to the naked eye. Check this out, these tiny shapes, rods, spheres, spirals are bacteria, and they're everywhere on your skin. Your hands are home to a whole variety of bacteria. There are rod-shaped ones called bacilli, spherical ones called cocci, and spiral ones known as spirilla. Look at them go, each with their unique form and movement. Now, not all bacteria are bad guys. Many of them are actually your skin's little helpers, protecting it and keeping it healthy. They're busy doing important work, even forming tiny colonies. But some bacteria can be harmful. Meet Staphylococcus and E. coli. If they get into your body through cuts or wounds, they can cause infections. See how they move towards that cut? This is why washing your hands is crucial. Soap and water can remove harmful bacteria and keep your hands clean. It's a simple act that makes a big difference. So remember to wash your hands regularly. It's one of the best ways to protect yourself from harmful bacteria. Stay healthy, stay clean. Thanks for watching.